our Chitrakootans. We're independent and responsible. This is my classroom. I keep it clean with the help of my friends. I'm proud of my space. Because our space is our pride. We stack our bags neatly every day because our space is our pride. I don't want my classroom to be dirty, and I don't wait auntie to come and clean it. I'll do it by myself because our space is our pride. I'll take care of the aquarium. Because our space is our pride.
We clean our classrooms by ourselves and we are proud of it.
Because our classroom is our pride. This gives us a very fresh and positive feeling. We take care of plants of our classroom because our space is our pride. At Chitrakuta Kaushalya, we feel every corner of our classroom is our own. So we keep it clean because our space is